Rich, chocolatey, with the perfect banana flavor in every slice, and completely egg-free, dairy-free, and nut-free. This is the banana bread people ask you to make again and again. Let me show you how easy it is. We're going to start with 3 very ripe bananas. The spottier the better. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your bread will be. Mash them until they're mostly smooth, but a few small lumps are totally fine. The texture is part of what makes this so good. Right into the banana bowl, add your sugar, brown sugar, oil, I'm using oat milk here, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and some vanilla. Just stir it all together until it's combined. Now add your flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon if you decided to use it. Stir gently until just combined. Try not to overmix as it will make your banana bread dense and tough, so stop as soon as you don't see dry flour. Fold in your chocolate chips. I'm using mini chocolate chips today, but use whatever size or shape dairy-free chocolate you love. Pour the batter into your loaf pan and smooth the top. I'm using a non-stick pan, but if you are not, just lay some parchment paper so you can get your bread out. If you want, you can scatter a few extra chips on top because more chocolate is always the right call. This is going to go into a 350-degree oven for 55 to 65 minutes and let it cool before you try to slice it. Perfectly chocolatey, and no one will believe it's allergy friendly. Subscribe for more recipes just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.